If you have Excel 2007 or newer, with the exception of the mobile version, your Excel comes with Page Layout View. And this view has a ruler feature to help you when you want to measure the size of items on your sheet. And you can also resize cells using familiar units of measurements, which is way easier than the usual point system. So by default, the unit of measurement it uses is based on your operating system's regional settings. But if you need to change that, you'll find the options in your Excel options. So from your File tab, scroll until you find Options, click on the Advanced category, and then scroll until you find the Display setting. Here you're going to find a drop-down for ruler units, and you can change from inches, centimeters, or millimeters using this drop-down. So let's say I select centimeters, click OK when done, and notice that now my ruler is displaying centimeters, and my cell's measurement size is displayed in centimeters as well. For more tutorials like this, click on these links. Thanks.